Alrighty guys, today we're going to do a little video fitting our new Sirocco fan into our Alucab rooftop tent. So I'll just give you a little run through on how we're going to do it. We're just going to mount it up on the roof here and then run a cable down around under the mat and join into this cigarette socket that comes with the tent. And these are the tools we're going to use, so you can have a quick look. This is everything I think that we will need while we do it. So let's go. Alright, so we're going to mount it up here. There's actually an internal support that runs in here that we can fix into, aluminium box section in here. So we will mount the base up onto here, drill through and nutsert into it. Now a little tip that Ivan from Peak Off Road gave me is before you drill you want to melt a hole through here, because otherwise when you drill you'll pull strands through this material the whole way through. So we'll give that a go and see how it works out. Just run this cable through the outside, which is the same way that Alucab have wired the light. So I've just taken this off and put another little hole through. I'm gonna run this through the back here and out of this hole and just hide it behind there as long as it looks alright. So I've just grabbed this hook too. I'll feed it through and try to hook it up and feed it through that hole. So these terminals are here, just so you got the positive and the negative there. So I'll just crimp on 2 lugs on the end of this. We can hook that up and then screw on. So I've just tucked it up here and put a dab of silicone. The tape's just holding it in there for now while it sets. This is what Alucab have done the other side with the feed for the light. So it just runs up, runs down, tucked into the seam the whole way down. And then, if you can see under here, it just runs out of the seam and up under in the Velcro into the tent. So that'll all be waterproof and protected from the elements. Best case scenario for this. brought this in the corner. Just gonna run that around the corner of the mat the whole way, just underneath. Just tucks in neatly under there, and then we'll join it up over there. So I've got the cable out here. I'm just gonna join up these into this circuit here and heat shrink it up. What I will do later is I'm gonna run around and put a bit of double-sided tape on that cable run around there because it's still a little loose. So I'll solder this up now and we'll test it out. So I'll put the cable in, it's back on now, so we'll give it a little try out. So you can set up this fan, it swings any direction. You've got two buttons on here, one is for the timer and the other one is for the 3 speeds. So if I press the timer, it'll show the LEDs 3, 6, 9 and 12 hours before it'll turn off. So yeah, that pumps out a fair bit of air, we're pretty stoked with that. It's going to be good in some summer nights. So I just want to add, this folds up nice and flat and tucked away up here, so when we do fold the tent down with our bedding, it'll push up nice and flat and pack up nicely. Cheers for watching, guys. If you got any questions about the install, just let us know. Feel free to follow us on our Instagram as we'll be doing our big lap once COVID lets us, so we'd love for you to follow along.